Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our next topic is frames. High frames. How to handle our high frames by using our Cypress. Okay, basically when you say this frames, when we are saying that old versions, very rare casely we are using and also complex to use it, right? Now in the later versions and new versions, we are able to use it very easily to by using another plugin iframe Cypress iframes that we need to that plugin we need to install and we can able to handle our frames by using Cypress. Okay, how we can able to handle means first we need to use it here. There is like a npm space install Cypress iframe. This is that we need to do it. We can able to do it here directly like here terminal place, or else you can go to which location your project directory is presented. Go to that directory, go to that project, open command prompt and use it. Okay, in my case I'm going to using for terminal because best way to use it here itself. In case if you have already installed, it will show you the requirement satisfied, otherwise we can see that installation is successful. Okay, we can say that is a trying to install for Cypress. In my case is already there, it is already installed, that's why it is very quickly completed. In your case it will take a little bit time to finish to installation. Okay, in case if it is taking more time, don't afraid, it will handle. And once you install this one first, then we can able to understand what is Cypress basically. Sorry, not Cypress, sorry, it's a frame. What is frames basically? A frame is contains a set of information. One particular frame having complete information, another set of frame it is having another set of information. How we can able to say that is a frame first? Once you see this demo application, you can able to right click this particular location. You are not able to see. And if you here, no, here, no. But you can able to see page source, okay, and control F iframe. You can see iframe is highlighted two times. One is starting tag and another one is ending tag. Then there is a source table default value location it is presented. That place means this particular drop down place having frame. Where exactly it is there? You can go to here. You can see these are two drop downs are there. If you right click inside here, you can see now reload iframe, reload frame, and also view frame source. There are previous we have like here outside of that this location. If you right click, we can able to see inspect view page source. If you go inside this box and if you mouse over, you can able to see reload frame and view frame source and inspect. These are the four options that is coming. Once you make it for reload, you can see again. Even you can directly reload the page. That also it will gives. Okay. This is a one kind of frame structure identification purpose. And our case is basically there are two tabs should be presented. View page frame default it will showing single. Why? One second. Actually, it should display two frames actually. Yeah. No, two frames. Actually, that is something happened. Maybe I dragged and dropped that particular value. Maybe due to that also it is collapsed. When you can say that this kind of right drag and drops, it will happen. Okay, the drag and drop once you happen means it will change the positions. Okay. Now inside that, how we can able to go ahead inside your frame. Inside I want to go and I want to read this value, and I need to say this value is presented in that particular frame. Okay. Up to we can able to see here how we can able to achieve. See, copying this one. Sorry. Describe suit creation, frames, and function creation, and then test case creation. Inside the test case, we can iframe. Okay, now Cypress.visit is my URL visiting purpose, and once I went to the place, what I want to do, I want to go to frame location. This is my entire frame. How to go means we can able to inspect this particular one. Right click and inspect. You can able to see there is a HTML page. After that, iframe is presented. Iframe is having a class. Sometimes that frames come, some frames having ID also. We can have ID, name, something is value it will be presented. Take that value. Okay. Now I'm going to take for my demo frame. Okay. Copying this particular frame, and I'm going to see get. Get it is basically clicking purpose because we are not doing that get method, and we can, yeah, frame load. There is a frame load. Frame load is nothing but we can able to load the frame in this particular using this. If you mouse over, you will see that is information about the frame itself. It will load for one time. Okay, which frame we are providing, that it will load inside that. Okay, once we are in a frame, it will load that particular frame into a Cypress place. Now we are not outside of the frame, we are inside the frame by using frame load. Okay, then what we need to do, we need to find the location of what exactly we want to identify. Okay, this is the drag me to my target. I need to inspect this one. You can see this is my place, and this is this particular box having ID. Then we can able to go ahead here, cy dot. Basically we are taking for get method, sorry, get method to get the text box clicking or some value getting purpose. We are using get, right? Previous sorry, previous what all the classes we are used, that all the things we are every time we are using get. But this is basically inside the frame. Inside the frame means we need to use for iframe. If you use iframe means it will thought this particular ID, which ID we are going to find it. Then it will go inside and check purpose, and we can able to mention for find keyword. Find keyword inside the frame it will comes, and we need to click it, and we took for ID value. Then ID is indication of hash. Then what we need to do, that values we need to get. That value we need to get means we can able to use then concept. Inside the then we need to create the function to get the text value, right? Then we need to create a function. Okay, this is a function creation. Okay, now we created a function, but we need to, this function need to return some value. For this we can able to use for res. Okay, this is the value to get the information about this particular drop the box having what is the information. That information this function res will be contains. Okay, it will having those value. Then what we need to do in the normal Java or Python any place, we are going to use some specifying some data types, and Java or C Sharp. Python we are not mentioning, we can directly creating a variable. And the similar format we can able to say we need to create a variable. For this, what type of variable we can able to constant, it is the word keyword we can able to use to store some value. Frame value, I can frame value is the one, and here I'm going to use for res dot text. This method will return a text, that box text, whatever the information is presented that particular one, that information. Now that information we store into this variable. Okay, form variable. Okay, in this form variable we have now, and how to validate. Then we have expect concept. Expect what we are expecting. Form value dot to dot equal we can able to use, or contains anything we can able to use it. Contains anything we can able to use it. Now I can able to use it here and drag me to my target. Now we can able to save this one. Now I'm going to use it for my Cypress npx Cypress open. Okay, now I'm opening for my Cypress. But in our case, most probably it will marked frames. You'll see. Now it is not loading from frame load. Frame load is not a function. It is not a function. No command way. Okay. We used our drag and drop location. This is the one only. Okay, then we visited, then we can demo frame only we need to load it because that is the one frame having. We'll check one more time. Okay, this is my frame here. Okay, this here is my frame and here is my frame information. This is my class. Okay. Okay. This is my frame exactly where I am there. And here is exactly what I am. Okay. Dot frame load. Frame load colon dot my value and save check. It's not loading. Why it is not loading? Okay. Okay. Sorry. Here there is a small mistake happen. We are imported for Cypress, but we are not imported for iframe related. This iframe basically we are added for this entire information, right? Undefined chain it is showing. Okay. jQuery container. We need to import our Cypress iframe. Okay, this is the one we have to do it. Now you can see our page is loading. Only one mistake happened. We are not imported. We are done. but we are not imported. Now you can see my asset is worked, right? Now it is run and even page is loaded, and even that page having what exactly we are going to use the expectation that also it is displayed. Whether that value is displayed in this properly or not means we can able to have one information. It's like a cy.log, and inside that form value you can usually to use it once after execution. You can see here the value is presented, drag me to my target. Okay, this way we can able to provide also. This is one kind of, and don't forget to import your Cypress iframe after installing. Okay, I forgot, that's why my test case is not working, and in your case you have to import first. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand this one. Please like me, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.